Good morning, guys. Welcome to science class. Our topic today is how does sunlight affect air temperature? How does sunlight affect air temperature? This is our look at this picture. Well, like these days, recently, we have very hot days because the sun is shiny.
Yes, today we are at 29.
But today for me, well, that I am inside the house right now, for me, the weather is good. I am not hot.
I feel, please,
I'm fresh.
I feel that I'm like, how you say TV in English?
You are fresh, not cold, not, yeah, you are fresh, not cold, not hot, right? You are fresh. That's okay. That's how I feel. I feel fresh, not cold, not hot. So it is, the temperature today is okay. Changes in air temperature. Look, it says it's summer. Well, we are in summer actually. You wake up and bright sunlight streams in your window. It makes you squint, like, because the light is very bright. As the sun rises in the sky, the day gets warmer and warmer. It's a beautiful, warm, sunny day. Changes in the air temperature. Most days are warmest in the afternoon and coolest in the morning and evenings. Yeah, that's true. What is the air temperature different at different times of the day? The temperature of the air has to do with how much sunlight or light energy from the sun reaches the earth. It depends on where. Look at this gift is like a gift. The sun is at the center, right? And we are revolving around the sun, revolving. We are revolving around the sun. That's what we're doing, revolving, yeah. But the earth also is rotating on its axis. And that's how it says here, the temperature of the air has to do with how much sunlight or light energy from the sun reaches the earth. Sunlight passes through the air, but does not heat it, okay? Rather, light energy from the sun heats liquids and solids on the surface of the earth. The liquids and solids get warm. Hello, Gabriel. I didn't see you before in the previous classes. I didn't see you yesterday either. You were absent. Okay, so the liquids and solids get warm and they warm the air above them. Have you noticed when you are on the street and it is very cold, very hot? When it is very hot, you can see steam. Ustedes, can you see the steam that comes from the street? Sale como un vaporcito. Can you see it? Have you seen that on the street? When it is very hot? No, you haven't? However, the Earth's surface does not heat evenly. The uneven heating is caused by sunlight hitting the Earth at different angles. So I said, the Earth here, can you see it? It is moving. It is revolving around the sun. The Earth revolves on an orbit, but the orbit is not round like a perfect circle. It is like this. So when the Earth is, for example, when the Earth is here, the sun at the middle here, yeah, heats the Earth, but it is a little bit far. But what happened when the sun when the earth, sorry, is here, for example, we are closer to the sun. So the temperature,
the temperature is,
yeah, the sunlight we receive, the sun heat us very close. So the temperature is high. Another explanation is that sun, for example, heats directly here in this part of the earth, which is the tropical area. We are in the tropical area. Honduras is in the tropical area. Well, what happened that the sunlight that hits here, it doesn't hit the sun. It doesn't, the sunlight didn't hit the earth directly. Hits the earth in an angle. Depends on the angle. The temperature, it's different. And you know that at this part of the earth, there we have the poles, the South Pole and the North Pole. Yes. Yeah, I saw your camera black, Ryan.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
This we talk of the effect of the temperature.
The sunlight that hits the earth at different angle change or affect the temperature differently. Affect the temperature differently.
Yes.
So that's why. So look what it says here.
The sun affect the temperature a lot or a little bit?
Affects the temperature a lot. We're gonna see it in a game. We're gonna see it in a game. Notice the shadow in the pictures below. You can see by the shadow that sunlight hits the earth at different angles. Look at the shadow of this umbrella. The sun probably. The sun here probably. The sun probably is here. The sun probably is here. Here.
Yes.
Yes. There, right over there, right? Look at the sun here. Look at the shadow. The sun in this case might be here. What happened during the afternoon when it is 4:30? The temperature has changed, right? And the afternoons is very nice to be outside. We can take a walk, and it is very nice because the sun, it is falling. El sol ya se está poniendo. And the temperature changed because the sunlight is not hitting directly to the earth. That's what the temperature changed. That's why the temperature changed. That's why the temperature changed. Now, let's continue here. Sunlight hits the earth most directly around noon. Noon is el mediodía.
What the noon?
Noon, yes, this word. Noon.
What? The afternoon is the time. It's like the word moon. It's like the word moon.
Noon is mediodía. At what time do we eat lunch? At what time do we eat lunch?
Noon?
Yes, your answer could be at noon. Exactly. You can say at noon. For example, in Mexico, people used to eat lunch at around 2 p.m. Como a las 12 ellos almuerzan.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
Not in that 12, 8 p.m. Oh, p.m. What?
2 p.m. It hits. So when the sun is at noon, the temperature is higher. It hits the Earth's lights directly early in the morning and in the evening. You can infer the rotations of the Earth by watching shadow on the ground. The temperature of the sun, of the air is usually lowest just before sunrise. Then
your microphone in your camera. Your microphone is.
oh, sorry. The temperature of the air is usually lowest just before sunrise. Then, as the sun rises and the surface of the earth is heated, the air temperature rises. Claro, cuando el sol pega en la tierra y calienta, the temperature rises.
The temperature is
Rises.
maximum.
It is hot. The earth's surface is usually warmest around midday, when the sunlight is most direct. However, the surface of the earth takes time to heat the air. Therefore, air temperatures are often highest in the middle of the afternoon, como por las 2. Oh my goodness, it's very hot. The number of hours of daylight also affects air temperature. During the summer, there are more daylight hours, and during the winter. That's true.
We have more hours in the summer and
in summer. Yeah, during summer we have more daylight. Tenemos más luz del sol. El sol sale más temprano y se oculta más tarde. En el verano, en el invierno, el sol sale más tarde y se oculta más temprano. Por eso los meses de octubre, noviembre, se ve oscuro. Ajá, esos meses se ve oscuro ya a las 6 está oscuro. Pero en verano, ahorita que estamos en verano, las 6 todavía está un poco claro. So that's what it says. The number of hours of daylight also affect air temperature. During the summer, there are more daylight hours than during the winter. The Earth's surface has more time to heat up on summer days. Therefore, air temperatures are usually warmer. Now, this is the drawing I need you to do the drawing, please. You copy the topic, and now I need you make this drawing because you are going to represent. Look at the positions of the sun and the positions of the shadow. Make this in your notebook, please, and use colors.
Oh, okay.
Use colors, please.
It's a little easy.
Yes, it is. It is easy. Do it, please. You got 3 minutes. So this is the drawing. This is the work you have to do in this class. Okay, guys? So thank you for your attention.